What is going on, family? Welcome to Horizon Market Moves, where we are building legacy one trade at a time. I'm here to go over my trade with you from Friday and show you kind of what I was thinking. I was waiting for a reversal to happen. That was the biggest thing for me. Friday, kind of getting the close of the week, people getting out of their long positions. So I'm thinking today we're going to have a down day. So I'll show you exactly what happened. So this is the 1 minute time frame. Let's go to the 5 minute time frame so you can get a better view of what's really going on here. So as you can see here, we finally got a sweep of this 1030. We finally got a sweep of this 1030 high right here. Okay. After this sweep, we could see potential entries. After the sweep, we break down to a 1 minute time frame, and we look for displacement in the opposite direction. In real time, this move could be called displacement, but it didn't create a fair value gap. So we would have to wait for another market structure shift with displacement. And we got it right here on this drop down here. I'll draw it out for you and show you. So here's a low, and market ran through that low right there with displacement. And that is very big, that when the market runs through a low in this scenario, when the market runs through this low, it has to be with displacement. Displacement is just a large impulsive move, and we got that. And with that impulsive move, price created a fair value gap in that. So the fair value gap is just a 3 candle move, and the low of the first candle and the high of the third candle. That space in between is the fair value gap or the imbalance. Now, for me, as soon as price taps into that fair value gap, that is my entry. Some people use the 50% encroachment, which is that dotted line for this fair value gap. And I put my stop loss over the first candle that made the fair value gap, or you could put your stop loss over the most recent high. I mean, it's up to you, and it depends on what your account can handle. And I was going for a 1 to 2, but I ended up holding on to the trade longer, which netted me about 1,000 and some change on my prop firm account. So once price enters into this fair value gap, I mean, it is just up from there. Like it was an amazing move. I've been anticipating this move for a while. So that is pretty much it, y'all. So just to run it back for you, we got a sweep here. That's the sweep. Could not take the trade on this move, even though it was displacement, because it didn't create a fair value gap. So we wait for another structure shift, which happened right here when price broke that low. And with displacement, it created a fair value gap. As soon as price entered that fair value gap, that is when we have our entry. We can go for a 1 to 2 minimum. We can go for a 1 to 2 minimum. And that's the entry. And there we have it. That was my trade from Friday, y'all. To get more insight on how I trade, you can catch me inside the Legacy Lab. There's a link in the bio. Peace.